Over 6.5 million people went to the theatres on National Cinema Day, which was celebrated on Friday. To commemorate the successful reopening of movie halls, the Multiplex Association of India has announced. More than 4,000 screens from across the country, including cinema chains like PVR, Inox, Cinepolis, Carnival, Mirage, City Pride, Mukta A2, Movie Time, Wave, M2K and Delight participated in the initiative. As part of the one-day event, various cinema halls started shows at 6 a.m. on Friday, offering celebratory admission price of ₹75. Audiences of all ages came together to celebrate this historic day at the cinemas. We are thankful to the 6.5+ million moviegoers who attended their local cinema to purchase movie tickets, making 23rd September the highest attended day of the year for the Indian cinema industry. MAI President Kamal Gyanchandani said in a statement.